In this video, I'll show you how to install YouTube on your Windows PC so you can open it just like a regular app. If this tutorial helps you, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech guides. To begin, open Microsoft Edge from your taskbar or Start menu. Once it's open, go to youtube.com and wait for the website to load. After YouTube opens, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of Microsoft Edge. From the menu, hover over Apps, then select Install YouTube. If you don't immediately see the option, it may appear under More Tools depending on your version of Microsoft Edge. A confirmation window will appear, click Install, and Edge will create a YouTube app on your computer. Once the installation is complete, YouTube will open in its own dedicated window, giving it the feel of a desktop application instead of a browser tab. You can choose whether to pin it to your taskbar, add it to your Start menu, or create a desktop shortcut so it's always easy to access. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully installed YouTube on your PC. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.